Today, we're diving into a tool that's shaking up the world of product analytics. And no, it's not another expensive walled garden platform. Meet PostHog, the open source analytics suite that's putting data back in the hands of the people who actually build products. If you've ever felt shackled by clunky analytics tools, limited by privacy concerns, or just plain frustrated by how much it costs to understand your users, this one's for you. Let's set the scene. You're part of a team building a new app or SaaS tool. You need to know how users interact with your product, what features they love, where they get stuck, why they churn. But here's the catch. Most analytics tools are either too simplistic or too complex. Oh, and they're expensive, really expensive. Plus, they silo your data, force you into cloud-only setups, and leave you sweating over GDPR compliance. Sound familiar? Enter PostHog. PostHog is like the Swiss Army knife of product analytics, but open source, transparent, and designed to grow with your team. Founded in 2020, it started as a Y Combinator back project to solve a simple problem. Analytics shouldn't suck. Today, it's a full-stack platform used by everyone from scrappy startups to Fortune 500 companies. First up, Product Analytics 360. PostHog doesn't just track page views. It captures every user interaction, clicks, taps, scrolls, you name it, letting you build detailed funnels, retention graphs, and session recordings. Imagine watching a replay of a user struggling to find your checkout button. That's PostHog's session replays in action. But wait, there's more. Feature flags let you roll out new functionality gradually. A/B test a button color, toggle a feature for beta users, or kill a buggy release, all without redeploying code. Combine this with their experimentation suite, and you've got a science lab for your product decisions. And here's the kicker. It's all open source. That means no black boxes. You own your data. Host it wherever you want, cloud, on-prem, your basement server, and customize every dashboard, plugin, or integration. Speaking of integrations, their marketplace has everything from Slack alerts to Snowflake pipelines. In a world where data privacy laws are tightening faster than a drumhead, PostHog's self-hosted option is a game changer. Want to keep user data entirely in-house? Done. Need GDPR or CCPA compliance baked in? PostHog's got you covered. Even their cloud version is EU hosted by default, with zero tracking scripts. It's analytics without the ethical hangover that, if you're thinking, this sounds great for engineers, think bigger. PostHog bridges the gap between devs, product managers, and marketers. Engineers love the CLI tools and API flexibility. Product teams geek out on no-code dashboards. And everyone sleeps better knowing there's no surprise bill. Their pricing scales with usage, and the free tier is generous. Startups like Argyle and Flagsmith use PostHog to move fast without burning cash. Enterprises? They're all about that self-hosted life, slashing costs and dodging vendor lock-in. Even solo devs building the next big thing in their garage can tap into enterprise-grade analytics for $0. Open source isn't just a buzzword here. PostHog's community-contributed plugins and templates let you bolt on everything from heat maps to CRM syncs. Their docs are famously human-readable, and the team actively collaborates with users on GitHub. This isn't just a tool. It's a movement toward transparent, user-first analytics. Let's be real. Analytics tools shouldn't be a tax on innovation. They should fuel it. PostHog flips the script by giving teams the insights they need without the baggage they don't. It's like if Wikipedia and Google Analytics had a baby, and that baby grew up to democratize data for everyone. Ready to stop paying for analytics that underdeliver? Check out PostHog at posthog.com. Spin up their cloud version in minutes, or go full DIY with their GitHub repo. And hey, if you're feeling the open source love, give them a star on GitHub. Every click counts. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more deep dives into the tools shaping tomorrow's tech. Got questions about PostHog? Drop them in the comments. See you next time.